Hi everyone! I'm back again at the end of January to share how my temperature project is going. So I have got it here, and this is where I've got to so far. So I'm quite loving it. It's going to be quite big, I think, but that's all right. It will be really lovely and cozy when it comes to next year. Um, so if you haven't watched already, go back and watch the first video that I made. I'll link it up there of setting up your temperature blanket and then how to do Tunisian crochet entrelac, which is what this lovely, beautiful pattern is made of. So each square is a day, so a day's temperature, and I chose to go with the maximum temperature of the day. And as you can see, it's looking quite lovely. So this is up to the 30th of January, and I'll show you now my spreadsheet on how I'm going to work out what the rest of it's going to be. Right, so this is my temperature blanket spreadsheet, and what I've got on here is my colours to start with. So that you want to set up something like this. So I've got the temperatures and the colours. So I'm using Celsius because that's what we use in the UK. And then I've got the months down here. So this is January and I've recorded every month. So I use a website called AccuWeather, which is quite good for giving you the maximum and the minimum. And then I have recorded it in here and then I've yellowed it when I've crocheted it. And then I've got a second sheet, and this is how I've calculated my triangle. So I've definitely decided that I'm going to make a shawl. So it's going to be a triangle, and it's just going to grow and grow and grow and grow like this. And how I've calculated this is that so if you remember, a row is like on the diagonal. So the first row is one, the second row is two, the third row is one, two, three, like that. And it just carries on like that. So I've got down here what the total number of squares is after each row. So after row two, I'll have 3 squares. After row three, I'll have 6 squares. And I worked that out down until I got to around 365 days for the year. And the closest was either 26 rows with 351 days, which isn't enough, or 27 rows with 378, which was too many. So then I decided that I was going to add one block for the average monthly temperature at the end of each month and one block for the average yearly temperature at the end of the year. And that gets to a total of 378. So that is how we are going to do our temperature shawl, which it's going to be lovely, lots of lovely colours, and I'm just looking at it, I'll show you again. And that's where I wanted to get to today. I just wanted to tell you what I was doing at the end of each month. So today is the 1st of February. I'm going to be doing the 31st and then my average January temperature I'm going to add on to the end. So I really hope you're going to join in. Go back and watch the initial video and then watch this one, and then you will fully understand how we're going to make it. And I will check in with you again really, really soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.